All right, so this one, we touch base, we do the magnetic first, and first you touch base with bridge, and then you use the magnetic to generate the effect, and then you just do it with an empty bridge and use your core, and then hold the magnetic on while extending the electric out. So the squeezing of the rib and hip to create a magnetic pulse. You hold the magnetic pulse open while you send the gin out. And so I'm pulling in and extending out simultaneously. If I use magnetic to go out or electric to go out, there's a different mechanic, but I want to have the magnetic on continuously. There's the magnetic. Now I hold that magnetic state while I'm extending electric. And if I do it too hard, I get an asthma attack. I can't breathe and I asphyxiate it basically. So you have how hard you pull that magnetic between there and create that field. So if you have any asthma or breathing problems like that, it'll increase that thing. So don't do it if you have asthma. When you squeeze, pluck all the joints, hold that feeling, and then while holding the feeling, you open the electric at the same time. And so you have a pulling of the bodies apart and an extending of the gin through the gaps all at once. And sort of like a multitasking concentration. Okay, have play.